Hello and welcome. You're watching the market opening action on Money9 with me, Sakshi Batra. Let's quickly take a look at how the markets have opened today. In case you look, there has been a muted start for the Indian benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty, right after the positive close of Friday. As per the indication of SGX Nifty today, we've opened with about 0.5% loss for the Sensex at 49,556. The Nifty is also down about 50 odd points. That's down just 0.4% in trade. 14,694 is the level at which the Nifty is trading at in the early opening minutes as well. The Nifty Bank, if you see, that is the one that is actually feeling the maximum pinch with 225 points of a loss with 0.6% of a cut, 33,935. So remember that the Nifty Bank has now also slipped below the 34,000 mark as well. So the banks are feeling the maximum heat as far as the pressure on the markets is concerned. But what's performing really or outperforming is the broader market indices. Both the mid-cap and the small-cap indices are up 0.2% in trade right now. 20,000 and above that level back for the small cap and the mid cap index as well, as far as the BSE mid cap and small cap index go. Let's move on to see how the sectoral performance is happening in the first 10-15 minutes of trade. Now, what's performing over here is the realty index, that's up 0.7%. The pharma index is also logging in some healthy returns of 0.8% in the opening minutes. The metal index is just muted with a positive bias, and so is the IT sector right now and the FMCG sector. All the three sectors just trading with a muted with a positive by a start in the early opening minutes as well. But as far as the auto index is concerned, that's also up by 0.4% in trade. What's not performing on the high side is the private banking space. That's lost about 0.6% right in the opening minutes. The PSU bank also falling in 0.2% of a loss there. The financial services is feeling a harsher pinch over there with 0.5% of a loss for that one. The media stocks are also not performing. So it's a mixed trade that we are seeing in the opening minutes. What's causing the pressure right now is clearly the banks and the financial industry, and we'll just have to see whether that escalates going forward from here or recovers. Now, what's performing as far as the Nifty 50 is concerned? Stocks from the oil and gas space especially. Talk about BPCL, that's up 1.5%. GAIL is up 1.5% in trade. The pharma stocks are doing quite well right now. In fact, if you see Cipla, Sun Pharma, Divi's Laboratories, the heavyweights that actually contribute to the Nifty and the Nifty Pharma Index that are up about 1.5% in trade right in the opening few minutes. Also, when you talk about the laggards right now, it's the IT, mid-cap IT stock Tech Mahindra that's losing about 1% right now. Infra major L&T is seeing profit booking taking place. Bajaj Auto, Coal India and Titan, they are the other stocks that are, trading with a loss of about 0.5% in the early few minutes for today. So that's as far as the market update is concerned. But do stay tuned on to Money9 because a whole lot of action remains to be unfolded right in our next show, the first tick show. We are going to be talking about, what kind of traders and investor strategy should be followed in a week that has become on a subdued note, but is likely to get in the grip of volatility because it is the expiry week. So stay tuned on to that. And in case you want to know some stock recommendations also for today as well. With that, we wrap this edition. Many thanks for tuning in.